Let's learn how to solve this complex looking question from JEE Advanced 2012. We are given that theta and phi belongs to 0 to 2 pi and they satisfy this equation and some conditions. And based on this information, we have to find where phi cannot lie among these options. So how to start this question? In the first equation, we can see that on the right hand side, there is theta by 2. But other than that, there is no half angle. So let's try to reduce that half angle to full. So our equation is 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta sine phi. And we can write 10 into sine by cos and cot into cos by sine and take LCM. So after that, we will have sine square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 sine theta by 2 cos phi minus 1. And now we can see that this can be converted to sine theta and the numerator is just 1. So let's do that. 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta sine phi equals to sine square theta into 2 divided by sine theta cos phi minus 1. And this leads to 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta sine phi equals to 2 sine theta cos phi minus 1. And now we can see that we have cos theta sine phi, sine theta cos phi. So let's take cos theta sine phi to the right hand side. So we have 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 2 times sine theta cos phi plus cos theta sine phi. And 2 we can bring on the left hand side. So we have cos theta plus half equals to sine theta plus phi. So our first equation gives us cos theta plus half equals to sine theta plus phi. And now let's look at the remaining information. We are given that tan of 2 pi minus theta is greater than 0, which means tan theta is less than 0. And sine theta is between minus 1 to minus 103 by 2. To find the value of theta given sine theta, the easiest way is we use graph. So let's do that. We are given that theta is between 0 to 2 pi. So let's plot sine theta between 0 to 2 pi. So this is our sine theta between 0 to 2 pi. So we can draw a line corresponding to minus 1 and the corresponding angle is 3 pi by 2. And we can again draw one more line for minus under root 3 by 2. And it will cut the graph at 2 points. But we have to only select that theta which will give tan theta less than 0. And we can see that for theta less than 3 pi by 2, tan theta will be positive. Therefore, we have to only select this value. And this is 2 pi minus pi by 3, which is 5 pi by 3. Therefore, our theta is between 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 3. Now we can combine this information with this result and find the range of phi. How we can do that? We can see that in this equation, we have cos theta plus half in the left hand side. So we can find the range of cos theta plus half given the range of theta. So let's do that. From this equation, our cos theta will be between 0 to half. And cos theta plus half will be between half to 1. Therefore, sine theta plus phi is between 1 to half. And again, we will use graph of sine theta plus phi to determine the range of theta plus phi. And we know that both theta plus phi are between 0 to pi. So theta plus phi can be between 0 to 4 pi. So let's plot the graph of sine theta between 0 to 4 pi. So this is our plot for sine theta between 0 to 4 pi. And we know that sine theta plus phi between half and 1. So again, we will use line corresponding to 1, and it will touch the graph at 2 points. And for half, the line will cut at 4 points. So either our theta plus phi is between this range or between this range. But we can see that our theta is greater than 3 pi by 2. So if our theta plus phi is in this range, then our phi will be negative. Therefore, our theta plus phi should lie in this range. And this range we can easily determine, which is 2 pi plus pi by 6 and 3 pi minus pi by 6. So our theta plus phi is between 13 pi by 6 to 17 pi by 6. And we already know the range of theta, so we subtract that. So the range of phi is between 4 pi by 6 to 7 pi by 6. So our phi is between these values. And corresponding to this, we can select the options. So we can see that our phi is greater than 2 pi by 3, which means it cannot be less than pi by 2. So therefore, phi cannot satisfy this option. And B says that it is greater than pi by 2 and less than 4 pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3 is greater than 7 pi by 6. Therefore, it can lie, phi can lie between these values. And C option says that phi is greater than 4 pi by 3, which is not correct. So we will select this option as well. And of course, it is not greater than 3 pi by 2. Therefore, this is option. This is also our answer. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this solution. If you want to learn more concepts about solving JEE advanced questions, consider subscribing this channel.